Hello, my name is Kei. Today I will introduce how to make Chawan-mushi outside of Japan. I made this one in Italy. Ingredients are these. I think it's hard to get Japanese soup stock, but if you can find soup stock with katsuo dashi or kombu dashi are better. If not, you can use a vegetable or chicken bouillon. And melt it 1/4 in 150 ml of hot water and let it cool. Boil 6 pieces of spinach for about 10 seconds. Export them to water, squeeze them and put them in a small plate. Slice mushroom then thinly. Divide the chicken into 6 pieces. Lightly salt the chicken to season it. Break the egg into a bowl and mix well. Add the soup stock in the egg in 3 portions. So mix well. Then add a pinch of salt and mix well. Strain the egg liquid through a strainer and transfer to a different bowl. This will give you a smooth texture. Put chicken, mushroom, and spinach in order into the cups. Put chopstick or fork on the inside wall of the cup. Pour the egg liquid into the cup along the chopstick or fork. This will prevent bubbles. Wrap each one. Prepare a pot that can hold 2 cups. Now to measure the water level, put a cup in it. Put water up to the third of the cup height. Take the cup and bring it to a boil. When the water boils, put a thick cloth. Then put the 2 cups on the cloth. Then put on the lid on the pot. 3 minutes on high heat once the lid is closed. Then change to low heat and turn off after 10 minutes. Wait for 10 minutes without opening the lid after stopping the fire. Finally complete! If the egg and soup stock is in the ratio of 1:3, it should be solidified. Please note this percentage. This time I introduced Chawan-mushi with only ingredients that can be got outside of Japan. The ingredients can be anything, but celery and tomatoes are not recommended personally. Actually, I made it in England, Germany, and Italy, so I think you can make it in all over Europe. The same recipe was introduced in Italian and Japanese, so please check them out. Links are below. Good night, see you!